Good morning, students. We shall study another term called oxidation state. Oxidation state of an element in any compound will be its oxidation number per atom. This is the difference between oxidation number and oxidation state. It is oxidation is a per atom oxidation number separately. For example, in this zinc chloride, if the element is the same, then oxidation number will be equal to its oxidation state. For example, zinc chloride. It occurs once. Zinc plus 2 occurs once, not 2 times. Therefore, its oxidation number will be equal to its oxidation state equal to plus 2. Similarly, for chloride ion, the oxidation state of Cl and oxidation number of Cl are minus 1. If an element does not occur once, it occurs more than once, that is 2 times, 3 times, as in the case of ammonium nitrate, then per atom oxidation number will be called as its oxidation state. Consider ammonium nitrate. It consists of 2 ions, ammonium ions and nitrate ions. In ammonium ion, as I have already found out, the oxidation state of nitrogen in nitric acid, I shall be skipping those steps and shall explain you similarly. Write ammonium ion. Then write their oxidation state on the nitrogen atom, then oxidation number of hydrogen at its top, and then this is plus 1. Then total oxidation numbers 1 into x plus 1 into 4, the x plus 4. Then the sum total of the oxidation number must be equal to the charge on the ion. Charge on the ion is plus 1, is plus 1. So solve it. X plus 4, x plus 4 plus 1. Therefore, oxidation state of N is equal to minus 3, because when we solve this, we shall be getting x is equal to plus 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. So, the oxidation state of nitrogen in ammonium plus is minus 3. Now, consider nitrate. Similarly, it has the charge minus 1. Let X be the oxidation state of nitrogen, oxidation state of oxygen minus 2, and this is the charge minus 1. Then X NO3 minus 1. For this, we shall be having total X into 1 atom, X 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus 1. Now, X minus 6 is equal to the charge minus 1. Therefore, X is equal to minus 1 plus 6 plus 5. Therefore, oxidation state of N is plus 5. This is the oxidation state of nitrogen nitrate. This is the oxidation state of nitrogen in ammonium. The average of the two oxides will be equal to plus 1. Thanks for watching.